Hello everyone, welcome back to the Money Eyes channel. Happy you guys rejoined me today for another video. Today I will be giving an overview of how I set up my meal planning section, which is my section 5 in this planner. So I'm going to go ahead and move right into that. So this is so far what I have. This is the place where I plan all of my meals and keep like logs of the meals that my baby eats, the meals that I eat, any nutrition notes that I feel I need to keep for reference later. Got my monthly dinner plans, weekly meal planner. I will be adding in a kitchen appliance inventory and a kitchen appliance wish list. I haven't got that far yet, but I'm just going to share what I do have with you guys. So I'm going to start with just going through what I have. So I have the menu, which is a template that came with the planner that I'm currently using. And this is that same template, but this is the template that I use to log my baby's meals and my meals weekly. And I have text boxes set up already generated, so that when it makes it easier when I copy and paste and do that. I believe, yes, this star right here, that is just a shape that Novel offers for me to just put on here, and I hyperlink this star to go back to the divider of my meal planning section so that I don't have to scroll back every time. So that's that. I got my monthly, and January has 31 days, so I'm just going to keep that the way that is. This is just the blank template. These are just the boxes that I just pre-set up. So once I copy and paste these for each month, that is already there. It's already ready for me to use, and I don't have to worry about lining everything up. The initial setup is very important, which I'm learning as time goes on. You want to set everything up initially when you first start, because it just makes things go a lot smoother as you are planning. So this is a template that I actually made in Keynote. So this is the monthly dinner plans. This is my grocery list that I made. This is another template that I made, which I think once I'm going to redo this one. Not now. I'm thinking about it. Maybe now, I might not. This is just a thought right now. I see the lines are they're kind of faint, but like I said, I might redo it. I might not. I might make the lines black. It just depends. So the text box is already set up with the item and the amount. And it also has that star that'll take me back to my homepage of this section. I do have a nutrition notes index. This is actually the recipes template. All I did was blocked off a certain area, screenshot it, and I'll show you. This is this white right here. This white on the right. That's just a color. I just put that underneath, and then I put the screenshot on top of it, and I covered up the boxes at the top with a text box that's color filled. Added it to the background so that doesn't move. This is just 2 lists that whenever I put any notes on there, I name it, and I will hyperlink those. So that's already set up. Now I'm gonna show you how everything flows together. Okay, first it said Promise Meals logs, my meal logs. But as I was looking at it, I was like, how? I don't want to have to scroll, because there's 52 weeks in a year, and I plan on doing this every week, and it's going to get to too much scrolling. So I was like, well, maybe if I just split it up into months. So this is what I came up with. This is all text. But everything will be hyperlinked. I do have this on a locked layer so that it won't interfere with anything. So we have January, February through December, obviously, on all of them, which this was my plan. So I got Promises Middle Logs, and I have January, hyperlink those. Now this is week 1, but this is the weeks in January. Clearly I started a little late, but never mind that. So then I have this, and then all I have to do is scroll, and then there'll be 3 or 4 behind each, sometimes 5 behind each hyperlink, if that makes sense. I think it does. And then I did the same thing with my middle logs. And then there'll be this week, next week, however many more weeks is in January, and then once I put the week for the first week of February, then I will add a link to February, and that'll take me to the first week in February, and then every week falls after that, and I'll do that for every month, which will make it easier for me to navigate. I hope that makes sense. So that's that. And then I have my nutrition notes that takes me to the regular template, but this is where this goes. Hold on, let me see something. Where am I going? Let me see, where am I going? Okay, there it is. So once I go to the nutrition, this is what I was talking about. This is chewing slowly while eating notes. This takes me to that page, and then this is a hyperlink to take me back to this. So I think that it's a flow for me. Like, I was just sitting here thinking, and then it just popped into my head like, oh, this is how I can do this. So any notes that I take on my nutrition or meals or anything that I feel like I need to note, I will be putting on here, and these will all turn into hyperlink sections, will take me to that page. So this, that I just put that there, so if I need to, when I don't have to jump around and figure out where the page is at and all this, will take me right back. Anything on this page will have this hyperlink on it, will take me back to this page. And now that I'm thinking about it, I need to move this. I need to put this on that page actually, because that is, I need to be able to quick reference myself back to where the main section is. So we're gonna put that right there, and gonna take me back here. So that's just how I'm setting up my meal planning section. This is what I have so far. I'm gonna definitely add some things, because I need to add the kitchen appliance inventory and wish list, and I also am working on my pantry inventory or kitchen food inventory tracker, so that I can keep track of that, so it'll make it easier for me to do my grocery list. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. This is why I love digital planning, because like I have the same thing on my phone too. So if I need to do a quick thing and I'm not at home, I just need to add something in really quick, like we ate at a restaurant or something like that, or we ate at somebody else's house. I can log my meals, I can log my daughter's meals, I can add notes, I can do whatever I need to do on the go, and then when I come home, it'll already be my iPad, and I can just do what I need to do moving forward. So I just want to thank you guys for coming back to my channel, the Money Eyes channel, where we do digital planning and really any type of planning. I appreciate all the likes and comments. If you have any questions, you can leave that down below, and I will be answering all questions. Any suggestions you might want to put me on, like I'm open to any suggestions. I'm all about making my life easier and making sure that I have everything planned out. So thank you for watching this video, and I will be catching up with you guys in another video soon. Thank you.